Welcome to AliExpress Insider. Check the description box below for the product link and more details. San Martin 40mm BB58 Retro Luxury Diver Watch. Classic craftsmanship meets modern performance. The San Martin BB58 Retro Luxury Diver Watch combines vintage style with modern performance. Powered by the reliable NH35 Automatic Movement, this watch offers smooth, accurate timekeeping and a 41-hour power reserve. With 20-bar water resistance, it's perfect for divers, adventurers, and those who want a durable, stylish timepiece for everyday use. NH35 Automatic Movement, reliable, self-winding mechanism with 41-hour power reserve for precise timekeeping. 40mm stainless steel case, 316L stainless steel for durability and sleek, sophisticated design. Sapphire Crystal with AR coating, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating for clear, easy readability. Super Luminous Markers, Swiss Superluminova coating for excellent readability in low light or underwater. 20-bar water resistance, perfect for diving and water sports, withstands depths of up to 200 meters. Vintage-inspired design, retro aesthetic with a ceramic rotating bezel, blending classic looks with modern durability. Comfortable fit, equipped with an adjustable stainless steel bracelet, ensuring a snug, comfortable fit for all wrist sizes. Durable and scratch-resistant, designed to last with high-quality materials, ensuring your watch stays looking new for years. The San Martin BB58 is a perfect combination of luxury, precision, and performance, making it ideal for both watch enthusiasts and adventurers alike.